Tired of squinting at your phone screen? Let's get that Android mirrored onto your PC or laptop in just a minute and a half. First, we'll use a popular app called LetsView. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Type LetsView into the search bar and tap the install button when you see the LetsView app. Once installed, open the LetsView app on your Android. You might need to grant it permissions for microphone and storage access. Go ahead and allow those when prompted. Now, head over to LetsView.com on your PC or laptop and download the desktop version of the LetsView software compatible with your operating system, either Windows or Mac. Install and open LetsView on your computer. Ensure both your Android device and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your phone. Tap the computer's name that appears, or scan the QR code shown on the PC screen using the LetsView app on your phone. On your Android, select Phone Screen Mirroring, then tap Start Now to initiate the screen mirroring. Bam! Your Android screen should now be visible on your PC or laptop. Now you can enjoy mobile games, presentations, videos, or anything else on a much larger display, and that's it. Quick, easy screen mirroring. Explore the app settings for more options like screen recording or whiteboard functionality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome Android tips and tricks.